Hello everyone, I am Nivedita and welcome to Happy World Around. As the name denotes, Happy World Around is my attempt to create a happy place around us, to create a happy world around all of us. So it's a very small attempt. Every day I write quotes, every day I send messages to people, every day I work on this thing called a daily happiness because this is my mission in life to teach each and every individual who I come across in life to create a happy world around them and a happy world inside them. We talk a lot about happiness. Happiness is a state of mind we all know. What we don't know that we can be happy every single day of our life. What happens that whenever we are upset about something, whenever something wrong goes in our life, we let that thing control us and our entire day and consume everything positive that we have within us. So I work with people, I work with my clients, and I work with my followers and teach them small basic tricks which we all know, which I have been implementing in my life for the last 16, 17 years when I got to know about this formula of unconditional happiness, and it works. It works. I've seen it work. So, the first and foremost thing to remain unconditionally happy every single day of your life is to, whenever you wake up in the morning, have the broadest smile on your face. Have the broadest smile, give yourself a smile, and the number two thing that you have to do is to just say a thank you to the Almighty that you open your eyes. We are living in very uncertain times. We don't know what is going to happen. We are living in times of COVID 19, and there are lots and lots of other infections also coming up. So, waking up every single day, opening up your eyes, is the first thing you have to be grateful and feel happy about. Then, when you wake up, you go to the washroom, you go in front of the mirror, and what I do is I just say I love you to myself. That is the simplest form of falling in love with yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror, give yourself a big smile, keep on smiling, biggest smile, and say I love you to yourself and blow flying kisses. This is what I do every day, and instantly your mood is changed. Science has proven that whenever the brain does not relate whether it is a fake smile or a real smile. So even if at days you don't feel up like smiling, just smile 4 or 5 times in front of the mirror. Let that be a fake smile, and trust me, the sixth or seventh smile that you get is going to be a real smile because this is how the brain and your emotions get connected. So, a big smile when you wake up, then thank you. Then again, when you go in front of the mirror, saying I love you to yourself, smiling and blowing flying kisses. And then, what I do is I meditate. So, people ask me, we don't have the time to meditate. What do we do? So, today I'm going to teach you all the simplest form of meditation, which is called shower meditation. I have combined it with Om chanting also. So, whenever under the shower, just chant Om, maybe for 11 times. It is said that the Om has got the strongest vibrations in the entire universe. So when you chant Om, you create a ripple effect in the atmosphere around you. And even the slightest microbe who's listening to that is benefited. With that, I do the shower meditation. It is very simple. When the water is pouring on you, you just have to visualize that that is a divine golden water which is engulfing you. You are turning into a golden light, and all the stress, pain, hurt, anger, all the negative emotions blocked inside you are just going down the drain. We all have read about Louise Hay, and she's a big advocator of this thing that our blocked emotions create the diseases in our body. So, why to keep emotions blocked in yourself? Let them flow down the drain, and in turn, you are filled up with golden divine light. So, it hardly takes 10 minutes Om chanting and shower meditation. If you do this every day, trust me, you will strengthen your aura, you will strengthen your inner self, your willpower is going to increase, and you will feel a certain power in yourself. Then, one thing I do every day is do one activity which I love the most. I love singing along to songs, so I sing along, I read, I talk to my friends, and I laugh. I laugh uncontrollably. I get laughing attacks. And the people around me, they start laughing when they see me. So these are small, small things that I do every day to make keep myself happy, to make my day a bit better than the last day, and to spread happiness around myself. So this mirror exercise, saying I love you to yourself and saying thank you to the Almighty for a wonderful day, these are two activities which I do at my bedtime also. So I hope this all helps you, and you also work towards your internal happiness, to your day-to-day happiness, and don't let anything that has bothered you during the day influence you for more than 2 3 minutes. That's it. Let it go off very soon. Never give the remote control of your happiness in someone else's life. It's your life. Make it happen. Make it count. Till next time, bye bye. I'm Nivedita signing off, and this is Happy World Around. Love you all.